Hello golfers, welcome back to the channel. My name is Darren. We are at the back nine of Nikanti Golf Club and let's continue off the 10th tee. This is a fairway where you do not want to put your ball right in the middle. If you see the small tree right in the middle, that's going to block your path towards the green. The best place would be the left, but I think it's better to be on the right. I think I'm blocked by the tree now. Okay. I've got 100 meters to the pin and this tree is blocking my way. But there's nothing to carry, I think there's no water. So I think I'm going to hit it low and let it release down towards the green. So I'll show you guys just what's over this tree. So as you can see, we have seen the green and there's a second here below. And it swerves to the right. Hole 11 is a par 3. The green is pretty narrow and I have an 8 iron. The wind is blowing right to left and it took my ball and the ball landed on the left side of the green. And from here I'm short-sighted. I had to open up the face and needed the ball to go high and let it land soft. Yeah, I want to land somewhere. Flow a bit too far. The ball lacked some speed and got my first bogey on this 9. Hole 12 is a par 5. We're going to cut the corner and from there we're going to leave ourselves about 200-ish towards the green. Okay. The pin is tucked far left and a good miss will be on the right side. I was actually aiming for the bunker on the right. If it enters, it's fine as my bunker game is pretty strong. I had a sand wedge and I'm sort of hitting it a bit fat, allowing the ball to land and release towards the hole. That came off further than I expected. On this second shot, I had 169 to the pin and the pin is just over the water and we have some headwind. Originally, I went with a 6 iron but changed my mind as I think a longer club would be safer. Hitting a draw here and letting the ball in the bunker would be a safe one. Get in the bunker, down. Oh, lucky, outside bunker. If you don't want to attack the pin, you can actually play left side, way left of the bunkers. And my ball landed in this lie, and this is what I tell myself. Ball setting down, open face, hinge, chop release. Open face, hinge, chop release. Open face, hinge, chop release. Thank you. This par 3 is 131 meters. I've got a 9 iron. I pulled it slightly and the ball landed just outside the green.
That's okay.
From here, my ball is at the edge and we've got a grass against us, so it's against grain. Would you normally putt or choose to chip from here? I chose to chip, but instead of a sandwich, I went with an approach wedge. As if we use more loft, sometimes we tend to dig. So I've got a 50-degree, I got the shaft upright and hit it like a putt.
Let me finish it with that.
Hole 15 is a par 4. From here I thought that I could actually cut the corner on the left, but the right side of this fairway would be the better one. My ball found the rough and is deep inside. I should have taken one more club and the ball came up short.
Okay.
From here I needed to get up and down with a lob wedge. The ball landed on the green and released and left myself with a 5-footer. The par 3s on this course are really long, so I do not expect to put my ball onto the green, and I would definitely depend on my shot game to get up and down to save par.
I should hit it harder.
Hole 17 is a short par 4. Long hitters, you actually have to go towards the left side of this fairway as you can carry the bunkers. If not, a 3-wood would be the best off the tee. My ball ended up in the rough and was in a really awkward lie. I hit this fat and the ball ended up in the bunker. At this point of time, the weather was really hot. So remember, if you do play at Nikanti and when you tee off late, remember to always hydrate yourself. So 2 bogeys in a row and we're back to even par. The last hole is a par 5. I'm left with another scoring chance and this is a possible 2-on. We've got the wind behind us and with the 3-wood, the ball got onto the green. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week and may the course be with you. Bye bye.